Question today is, how do I generate test data using Python? So there are at least 3 methods that I can think of by which you can generate test data using Python. The first method is simply by using the random.choice method that we have. Basically, let's say if you have some pre-generated data set and you wanted to select some random instances or samples from it, you can do it using random.choice. Two more libraries that are good for generating test data with Python is Faker and Factory Boy. So Faker allows you to generate more strings and instances of data, whereas the Factory Boy allows you to generate the whole objects by means of defining a factory class, which in turn is responsible for generating a bunch of different objects that you can use for your testing. So let's look at it. So the first simple example out over here is very simple. What we're doing out over here is that we are firstly generating some random numbers in range of 1 and 100, and then for next 10 iterations what we are doing is we are selecting a random number from the list of some numbers. So this is simple and straightforward. The next thing that we're doing out over here is we are generating some fake names and fake addresses that you can input to certain functions. And for the Factory Boy example, what we have done is we have mixed and matched both the Factory Boy as well as the Faker. So the first thing we do out over here is that we have our user class, and it just has two attributes, first name and last name. We have our initializer out over here and just a string printer on the terminal, right? Next, what we're doing is we're defining the factory class for the user object, and what it does is by the means of lazy attribute from the factory boy module that we have, it will generate some random or fake names using the Faker, right? So I hope these 3 tips will help you generate some test data next time you want to create some test data in Python. Factory Boy has pretty nice integration with different ORMs, specifically if you're working with Django. I think it adds a lot of value in being able to test different models that you might have defined some custom functions on. Hopefully this helps you. Take care. Bye.